Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it's Degustabox. For those of you that don't know, Degustabox is a monthly subscription box and it is a snack box. That's how one of my children says she wants a snack. Anyway, it's £12.99 a month. I have a discount code where you can get £5 off. I'll put the code on the screen now for you guys. You get free delivery, £5 off, and you'll get a bag of Rowntree's random sour things, I think, as your freebie extra gift for doing it. Once you sign up, you then get a code that you can give to your friends and family. Every time a code is used, you get 50 points. When you get 100 points, your box is free. So this is a free box because people have used my code. But when they don't use my code, I just pay for it myself. So yeah, let's get in. It comes by, used to come by DPD, but now it comes by DHL, I think. You get like a time slot where they'll text you and say it will be here like between 2 and 3. So that's quite handy. Ooh. I'm not going to look at that yet. You get some vouchers normally of like what's inside. If I have any discount codes, I'll just leave them down below for you guys. The theme this month is winter warmers and festive. So the first thing I've got is Cheeky Monkey peanut butter puffs. They sound revolting. They sound gross, don't they? Does anyone else think they sound gross? £2.29, absolutely ridiculous. Delicious and healthier alternative vegan and gluten-free snack which offers a great source of protein and fibre, made from peanut butter and corn. Cheeky Monkey are baked, not fried. Available in both original and chili. Banana coming soon. That sounds even worse. Let's try one. Oh, they look like What's-Its. No. I love peanut butter. That is horrible. It is literally like eating a peanut butter flavoured What's-It. If you're in the States or anywhere else, like the puffed Cheetos, but peanut butter. No. Double Dutch, what are you? Don't know. Okay. Next up, what are you? Oh, God, I hate it. This is half sugar Seville marmalade. Oh, that's nice. It's a really big jar. My camera just hates everything today. Go on, camera. Go on, camera. There you go. That's my baby crying upstairs, by the way. His daddy is with him. He's just meant to be asleep and he is fighting it. So this is a huge jar. So you either get half fine cut or half sugar, and we've got the half sugar. £1.39. That's not bad for a huge jar of marmalade. Yeah, that's nice to have in the pantry. Oh my God, the taste of that peanut butter thing, it's just nasty. Oh, excuse me. Right, Mr. Lee's Zen Garden Vegetables, harmonious miso rice noodles with asparagus, green beans, spinach and ginger. That sounds quite nice. Gluten-free. You get coconut chicken laksa. Oh, I'd rather have that one. £2.50. Look, it's tiny. That's ridiculous. £2.50. Award-winning brand of premium noodles in a cup made using the finest ingredients. Gluten-free, low sugar, no nasties range. Also include vegan options. You can use the code Degustabox20 for 20% off your noodles at mrleesnoodles.com. £2.50 for that is just fucking ridiculous. Ridiculous. Okay, next up, ooh, Cacao melts, this is more my thing. £3.99. Bake, melt, drizzle and dip to your heart's content with these delicious cacao chocolate melts made from the finest Fino de Aroma cocoa beans. They have an exquisitely intense chocolate flavour. Their unique dish shape means that they melt quickly and easily. Gluten and nut free. I don't understand what you do with them. Do you eat them? Let's have a look at one, shall we? Oh, little giant chocolate buttons. Tastes like very, 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 very dark chocolate, which I like. Okay, next up, Pure Leaf Matcha Mint, some tea. £8.99. That is ridiculous. I gotta go and help the baby. The baby's fine. He just, I think his daddy coughed and woke him up. And now he's grumpy because he's awake. Yeah, these are amazing. I've just eaten another one and they're delicious. I don't know if you're supposed to just eat them like that, but they taste yummy, so I don't care. Next up, we've got some little cans, and these are Double Dutch cucumber and watermelon and cranberry and ginger tonic water. So they're an all-natural premium mixer. Love the packaging, really nice. And a little teeny weeny can. Put them on my hot cheeks because it's hot in the house today. Let's see how much these are. I bet they're expensive. I just passed over this one because £8.99 is insane. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like 12 tea bags or something in there. That's just silly. Okay, these little cans. 75p a can or £4.15 for a pack of 8, so that's not too bad. Double Dutch's twin founders Joyce and Raisa are passionate about enjoying every drink. They created perfect paired flavoured mixes to enhance spirits or savoured solo. Cucumber and watermelon sweet yet crisp taste profile, or cranberry and ginger's summery aroma. Now available in Waitrose, and you get 2, which we've got. Next up, crunchy peanut butter bar, peanut butter and dark chocolate, power of peanuts. That sounds nice. £1.49. Pop is all about celebrating the heroic power of the humble peanut. What is it about peanuts in this one? Peanuts are super healthy, kinder on the planet, and can literally save lives. We give 1% of turnover to charity, made with whole air roasted peanuts, 7 grams of protein, lots of prebiotic fibre and 40% less sugar. That sounds really nice. I love peanut butter and dark chocolate, so that sounds lovely. Not the peanut crisps, because they're minging. Next up is Unruly Flavour Real Handful Strawberry Stomp Fruit Nut and Seed Trail Mix, £2. Hiking in the Grand Canyon, we discovered trail mix and we were inspired to create our own blend. I don't like trail mix, but I'm sure someone will come around my house at Christmas and eat this, but I don't like it. The kids might even like it, to be honest. They love strawberries and stuff like that, but they can't have the nuts. I don't know, we'll see. Someone will eat it. It will always get eaten in my house because our family like food. And then my last thing, feels like there's not a lot in here this month. I'm sure there is, but it just feels like it's like not a lot. Is, what is this? Rebel Kitchen dairy-free chocolate hazelnut milk. That sounds amazing. 100% dairy-free, organic, plant-based. £1.60 for this teeny tiny carton. Again, is ridiculous. Shake it up, drink it. Range of milkshakes are made from plants and 100% organic. Did someone say liquid Nutella? Okay, if it tastes like liquid Nutella, £1.60 is a bargain. I'm not going to have it now, but I will have it tomorrow morning. I really want this now that it says liquid Nutella, but I've just had that chocolatey thing and I don't want to take away that yummy taste. So yeah, we shall see. I'm skeptical about that. I'll put it in the description box if this does taste like liquid Nutella. I very much doubt that it does. Not my favourite box, but it was okay. I think maybe if I'd have started off the box with these little beauties rather than the hideous peanut puffs, it'd have been better. But that was not my flavour that I wanted in my face, ever. So yeah, we're just going to pretend that they didn't happen. Although I am going to make Ben try one and see what he thinks. I'll let you know in the description box what he thinks about them. But I don't think it's going to be good. Yeah, that was my Degustabox for November. And yeah, it was okay. It wasn't the best one, but it definitely wasn't the worst one. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. There's going to be a couple of giveaways coming up on the run up to Christmas. I'm just waiting for the last little bits to be delivered and then they will go live, so keep your eyes peeled for those. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.